So, you've got a Shopify store, right? You're in the game. But are you playing where your customers actually live? I mean, really live? Today, we're going to break down a super simple, super powerful roadmap to get your store right onto their phone as a slick mobile app. You ready to meet them on their home screen? Let's dive in. Okay, first things first, just look at this chart. The numbers do not lie. This tells you everything you need to know about where your customers are. For Shopify stores, we're not talking about mobile traffic being just a slice of the pie. It's like almost the entire pie. We're talking around 80%. This isn't some trend that's slowly creeping up on us. It's a full-on takeover. So when you see a number like that, the big question has to be, how do I win on mobile, right? It's not just about surviving anymore. Having a website that kind of works on a phone, that's old news. To really win, you got to be native to their device. And that's where we get to the heart of it, the mobile commerce takeover. You know, having your own app used to be this thing only the huge brands could afford, a luxury. Not anymore. Now, it's pretty much a necessity if you want to grow. And the reasons why, well, they might actually surprise you. But wait, it gets even more interesting. It's not just about who's browsing. This is about where the money is. Over 70% of all Shopify orders are placed on a smartphone. Think about that. That's the add to cart, the buy now click. It's all happening on that little screen in their hand. So you might be thinking, okay, but my mobile site is pretty good. What's the big deal with an app? Well, let's break down the advantages, because they are huge. First off, you can seriously boost repeat purchases. You're also getting a direct line to your customers with push notifications. Think about sending a special offer that pops right up on their screen, no email inbox required. And get this is a big one. Apps usually convert way better than mobile websites. Why? Because checkout is so much faster. And maybe the best part? Your logo, your brand, is living 24/7 on their home screen. That's powerful. And that really sums it all up, right? An app isn't just another place to sell stuff. It's a tool for building relationships. It lets you create this direct, personal connection with your customers, which, let's be honest, is kind of the holy grail for any online business today. All right, so hopefully you're on board. An app is the move. But how do you actually build one? Well, you've basically got two main paths you can take. Okay, path number one, the custom build. This is the old school way. You hire a team of developers, spend a lot of money, and wait a long time. It's great if you're, a massive corporation. But then there's path number two, the no-code builder. This is the game changer. These are platforms designed so you can build a professional-looking app without writing a single line of code. For most folks with a Shopify store, it's a no-brainer. It's fast, it's affordable, and it's simple. So we're going to focus on that no-code path because it's the most accessible for pretty much everyone. I'm going to walk you through a simple 6-step action plan. And I promise, by the end of this, you'll see that turning your store into an app is way easier than you probably imagine. So here's the game plan. We've got 6 steps. We'll start with the initial setup. Then, the fun stuff, designing your app. After that, we'll add navigation so people can find their way around. Then, we'll configure the settings to make sure everything talks to each other. Step 5 is a crucial one, previewing the app. And finally, the grand finale, publishing it to the app stores. See? Totally manageable. Okay, step 1, setup. And honestly, it's almost silly how easy this is. You literally just copy your Shopify store's web address, paste it into the builder, pick a name for your app, and hit connect. Boom, that's it. You're officially on your way. All right, step 2, design. This is where you get to have some fun and really make it yours. You'll upload your logo for the app icon, that little square that'll live on people's phones. You'll design the splash screen. That's the first thing they see when they open it up. And of course, you'll pick out all your brand colors to make everything look perfect. Step 3 is all about navigation. So how are people going to get around inside your app? This is where you set up those menus you see everywhere. The side menu, the little icons at the bottom of the screen. You'll link them up to your products, your collections, the shopping cart, all the important stuff. You're basically building the easy-to-follow map for your customers. Okay, step 4, configure settings. And this is where the magic happens. You're going to enable real-time sync. What does that mean? It means your app and your Shopify store are always talking to each other. You add a new product to your store, bam, it's in the app. A customer updates their info, it's synced. This saves you so much work, it's incredible. It just automates the whole thing. Step 5, preview. You wouldn't launch a product without testing it, right? Same thing here. Before you go live, you get to test drive your own app. You can use simulators to check how it looks on different phones and tablets.
But the best part? You can actually put it on your own phone and play with it, making sure every button and every swipe feels just right.
And that brings us to step 6, publish. This is the big moment, the moment you've been waiting for. Once you are totally happy with how it looks and feels, you download the app files and get ready to submit them to the big leagues, the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. And you're probably wondering, okay, what's this going to cost me? The good news is it's surprisingly affordable to get your app listed. To publish on the Google Play Store, you just pay a one-time fee of $25. That's it. For the Apple App Store, it's an annual fee of $99. I mean, think about it. For that price, you get access to basically every smartphone user on the planet. It's a pretty amazing deal. But hold on, we're not done yet. Building an amazing app is one thing, but if nobody knows it exists, does it even matter? It's only half the battle. So now let's talk about the other half, promotion. How do you actually get people to download it? You want to think about your launch in 3 phases. First is pre-launch. This is all about building hype. Tease it on social media, start a countdown, maybe offer an early bird special. Then, for the launch itself, you gotta go big. Announce it everywhere, your website, your email list, maybe run some ads. And finally, post-launch. The work isn't over. You need to keep people engaged with push notifications and, super important, ask them for reviews.
Okay, so let's bring it all home. As we wrap this up, what's the big takeaway here?
It really all boils down to one thing: m-commerce, or mobile commerce. This isn't just some buzzword. It's a fundamental shift in how people buy things. And as we've seen from the numbers, for your business, it is absolutely where the action is. So if you're going to walk away with just 3 key points, let it be these. Number 1, mobile isn't the future, it's the right now. It's totally dominant. Number 2, a no-code builder is, hands down, the fastest and easiest way for you to get a professional app. And number 3, don't forget, building the app is just step 1. Promoting it is just as crucial for success. So I'll just leave you with this one last question. The data is crystal clear. Your customers are on mobile. The only real question is, are you? Are you going to be there to meet them? Or are you going to let your competition beat you to it?